Oh my, is it? Yeah, I think it is. It's drawing time. Well, hello there, I'm Détroit. We find ourselves in front of this nice moleskin sketchbook again. Like every Thursday, I might add, while on Sunday I upload a digital drawing video. Just saying, you know, in case you want to subscribe. Anyway, let's make lines. I feel quite good today and I want to make something satisfying. I like spaghetti doodles like this, where there's a bunch of lines going mostly in the same way. Just to make it interesting, and because I didn't know how to end it, I'll add a circle at the end of this wave of pasta. It will be like a hand grabbing a sphere. It makes me think of the Montrice from the Aldebaran series by Leo. It's a bande dessinée, or French equivalent to comics. Anyway, doesn't matter. Do you want to know why today I feel so good? Or at least I'm presuming I feel good? I can't know for sure actually. The today of me recording this, I saw that this small YouTube channel has reached 497 of you, which is only 3 less than half a thousand. And since today of you watching this is like more than a week away from today of me recording, I can only assume 3 of you have joined in the meantime. If that's the case, welcome to all of you, and welcome again to those who were already here. I'm really glad I started this YouTube thing because it feels nice to share my art with people and have a way of seeing that you enjoy it. If you didn't like it that much, your numbers would stop to grow, or would even decline, and that would be okay, but I'm glad you like it. I would put as much work in my drawings were it not from YouTube, so I'm not really in a constant chase for subscribers or views or click-through rate, etc, etc. I don't really care that much about the numbers and the analytics. Nevertheless, the numbers are a good indicator of more people finding my content and voluntarily deciding to follow it. I didn't create 500 ghost accounts. Anyway, after saying all of that, I really hope we have reached 500 subscribers. It would be a bit strange if not, or if people unsubscribed in the meantime. But not you wouldn't do that, I'm sure. You're the best subscriber out of all of them. Actually, I don't really care if we have not 500 yet. I mean, it should come as no surprise that people make videos in advance. Here's a tip to see how many videos in advance someone has. It should work at least for people who upload with a fixed schedule. The only requisite is that they make playlists. If you go to a YouTube channel's playlist tabs, you will see privated videos that are not yet public but have been scheduled. You can't know what the video is, of course, but it shows in the playlist that there's something there. For example, open my channel in another tab and go check out Digital Speed Paintings collection or whatever I name that playlist. There's probably 1 or 2 videos that are grayed out at the top. I hope there are 2 because I've taken some advance on my uploading schedule and my mind is more free this way. If I run a bit late, I tend to pick easier drawing prompts than what I really want, just because it will be faster and easier to release the video in time. But right now I have 3 videos that are already made and are patiently waiting in the limbo of the YouTube cloud for their release. This one you're watching is the 4th video in advance. But I'm not here to give you a headache about something happening in the future for me and past for you. While I keep on patiently tracing lines, hoping that I don't make a mistake, I want to use this opportunity to ask you how Twitter works. Yes, you heard me right. I want to know how Twitter works. I upload all my drawings to Twitter along with the link to the corresponding video, but that's basically all I do with it. Other than that, I just browse along and like some tweets occasionally, but I never spend more than a few minutes on Twitter. What I want to know is what I should do to maybe get my drawings to be seen by more people. Like, should I use hashtags? And which kind? I looked a bit into the way platform works for recommendations for Instagram and YouTube, but I know next to nothing about Twitter. Do people even look for hashtags on Twitter? Because I could add a hashtag art or hashtag drawing, but I assume my drawings will get lost in millions of tweets with this every hour. At the same time, a hashtag Détroit variety channel would be useless because nobody searches it. So I don't know, if you're in the same sort of art category as me, I'd really like if you could maybe help me out a bit. Tell me what you do and this sort of things. I am ready to invest a bit more time on Twitter, but I don't want to do it in a useless way. If you can't help me, it's fine. I guess I'll figure it out eventually. Just leave me drawing prompts, any sort of thing you want to see me draw in the future, be it with ink or digitally. If I like it, I'll even pin your comment under here. Anyway, today was a bit of a short video and very straightforward. I hope it's okay. I actually need to leave on a trip in a few hours and I really wanted to finish this video before that. Look, I'll compensate by giving you a glimpse of what you will see Sunday, alright? Here's what I'll be drawing in the next video. Yep, not too much. You'll have to wait. I hope you liked today's doodle. I'll see you soon, my 500 friends. Next up, 1,000. Bye!